Listen up. This is critical. Most diets don't fail at mealtime, they fail at dessert. You eat clean all day, then a sugar craving hits and derails your progress. It's not weak willpower, it's the sugar crash. But here's the good news. Fix your desserts, and fat loss gets easier. You don't have to give up sweets, just be smart about them. Today, I'm serving up 5 high-protein desserts that crush cravings and help you lose weight. Let's get straight to it. Your cravings aren't waiting. First up, let's talk about the chocolate protein lava mug cake, a dessert that's about to become your new favorite late-night treat or post-workout reward. Picture this, a rich, gooey chocolate lava cake bursting with flavor and packing a whopping 28 grams of protein. And the best part? It's ready in just 2 minutes, start to finish. No oven, no complicated steps. Just a mug, a microwave, and your sweet tooth. It's the ultimate solution for those moments when you want something indulgent but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. After a long, exhausting day, skip the biscuit tin and the empty calories. Instead, treat yourself to this warm, chocolatey beauty that's both comforting and nourishing. It's hot, rich, and deeply satisfying. Without the sugar crash or the guilt that comes with traditional desserts. You get all the decadence, none of the regret. The secret? It's all in the ingredients. Chocolate protein powder for that muscle-friendly boost. Creamy almond milk to keep it light. A pinch of baking powder for fluffiness. And dark cocoa for that intense chocolate hit. Just mix everything together right in your mug, pop it in the microwave, and watch as the magic happens before your eyes. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a dessert that looks and tastes like it came from a fancy cafe. That molten, gooey center? It's pure therapy in a mug. Each spoonful is a warm hug, melting away stress and satisfying your deepest chocolate cravings. The outside is perfectly fluffy, while the inside stays irresistibly gooey. And because it's portion controlled, you get just the right amount, enough to satisfy, never to overdo. Let's talk macros, 28 grams of protein, minimal sugar, and all under 250 calories. It's a dessert that fits your goals, whether you're building muscle, losing weight, or just trying to eat smarter. This mug cake isn't just a treat, it's fuel. It helps repair muscles after a tough workout, keeps you feeling full, and absolutely crushes those late-night cravings. Want to make it your own? Top it with fresh berries for a burst of tartness, crunchy nuts for texture, or a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess and protein. The possibilities are endless. Just remember, don't overcook it. 90 seconds is the sweet spot for that perfect lava center. Any longer, and you'll lose that gooey magic. So next time you're tempted to reach for a chocolate bar or a store-bought dessert, make this instead. You'll get all the chocolatey satisfaction, but with way better nutrition. It's quicker, cleaner, and leaves your kitchen spotless. No piles of dirty dishes, no sticky pans, just one mug to wash. Master this recipe, and dessert will never be the same again. You'll impress friends, satisfy your cravings, and stay on track with your goals. You deserve a dessert that supports your lifestyle and your ambitions. Why settle for less? This is the 2-minute miracle, proof that healthy eating can be clever, creative, and absolutely delicious. Say goodbye to boring, bland desserts that leave you unsatisfied. This mug cake is here to change the game, with just a few smart swaps, like almond milk instead of cream, and protein powder instead of flour. You get real satisfaction and real results. Try it once, and you'll be hooked. Chocolate cravings, solved, deliciously, healthily, and in just 2 minutes flat. Next up, let's dive into the strawberry protein cheesecake cup, a dessert that's as indulgent as it is nourishing. Imagine the classic creamy cheesecake flavor you crave, but made lighter, smarter, and packed with protein so you can enjoy every bite without a hint of guilt. This isn't just any cheesecake. Each serving delivers a whopping 25 grams of protein, making it a powerhouse snack or dessert that actually supports your goals. It's rich, satisfying, and you'd never guess it's only 240 calories per cup. And here's the best part. It's faster to whip up than waiting for delivery. In just minutes, you'll have a decadent treat ready to go, perfect for busy days or spontaneous cravings. Start with fat-free Greek yogurt and a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Whip them together until you get a silky smooth base that's thick and creamy. Just like traditional cheesecake filling, but so much better for you. For the swirl, mash up fresh, juicy strawberries and blend them with a 0-calorie sweetener. This creates a naturally sweet, vibrant topping that brings a burst of real fruit flavor to every spoonful. Layer the creamy yogurt mixture and strawberry puree in a glass or jar. Not only does this give you that irresistible bakery-style look, but it also lets you see every delicious layer, making it as beautiful as it is tasty. Each spoonful is a perfect balance of creamy cheesecake base and sweet, tart strawberry topping. The textures and flavors come together for a dessert that's rich, refreshing, and totally crave-worthy. Plus, these cups are perfectly portion-controlled. You get all the satisfaction of dessert, but with built-in boundaries to help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. No sugar crash, no heavy feeling, just pure, guilt-free satisfaction. It's the kind of treat you can enjoy anytime, knowing you're making a smart choice. Want to mix it up? Swap out the strawberries for blueberries, raspberries, or even a sprinkle of dark chocolate. The possibilities are endless, so you can customize your cheesecake cup to match your mood or whatever fruit you have on hand. These cups are also perfect for meal prep. Make a batch ahead of time and store them in the fridge. They'll be ready whenever a late-night craving strikes or you need a quick, healthy snack. Don't forget the finishing touch. Garnish with sliced berries, a sprinkle of nuts, or even a few cacao nibs for extra flair and crunch. Presentation matters, and a little garnish makes every cup feel special. Whether you're fueling up after a workout or just looking for a healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth, this dessert fits right into your active lifestyle. With 25 grams of protein per serving, you'll stay full longer and support muscle recovery. So, you're not just indulging, you're investing in your health. This is how you win at dessert. Delicious, nutritious, and totally satisfying. Strawberry protein cheesecake cup. Creamy, dreamy, and absolutely guilt-free. It's the dessert you'll look forward to every single time. Try it once and you'll never settle for plain yogurt again. This is dessert, upgraded, delicious, nourishing, and made for you. Introducing Banana Peanut Butter Protein Ice Cream. The creamy, dreamy game changer you never knew you needed. If you've ever craved ice cream but worried about the sugar, calories, or lack of nutrition, this recipe is about to flip your expectations upside down. Thought you had to give up ice cream to stay healthy or fit? Think again. This is the treat that lets you indulge without compromise, so you can enjoy dessert and still feel amazing about your choices. Each serving is packed with 24 grams of protein, making it not just a dessert, but a smart snack or even a post-workout reward. It's rich, thick, and so satisfying, you'll forget it's actually good for you. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment. No ice cream maker required. Just a blender and your freezer. It's as easy as it gets. Start with frozen bananas. When you blend them, they transform into a creamy, ice cream-like base that's naturally sweet and smooth. Add a scoop of your favorite vanilla or peanut butter protein powder, a splash of almond milk, and a generous spoonful of natural peanut butter. These ingredients come together to create a luscious, protein-packed treat. Blend everything until it's thick, silky, and irresistibly creamy. The texture is so close to real ice cream, you'll be amazed. You can enjoy it right away as a soft serve, or pop it in the freezer for a firmer, scoopable treat. Either way, it's delicious. The banana brings natural sweetness and a creamy texture, while the peanut butter adds richness and depth of flavor. It's a match made in dessert heaven. Thanks to the protein, this ice cream is more than just a treat. It's fuel for your body. Perfect for after a workout, or as a healthy snack any time of day. Unlike traditional ice cream, you won't get a sugar crash. Instead, you'll enjoy steady energy and lasting satisfaction. Want to mix things up? Customize your ice cream by adding cocoa powder for a chocolate twist, tossing in chocolate chips for crunch, or swirling in your favorite jam for a fruity surprise. Top it with nuts, seeds, or a sprinkle of granola. The possibilities are endless. Just keep it high in protein and low in added sugar for the healthiest results. The whole process is quick and simple. Just blend, freeze, and enjoy. In less time than it takes to run to the store, you'll have a homemade treat that's better for you. The taste and texture are so close to real ice cream, you might just fool your taste buds and your friends. You'll feel proud of what you're eating, not guilty or deprived. It's a dessert you can truly celebrate. This recipe proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun, delicious, and totally satisfying. No more feeling like you have to sacrifice flavor for nutrition. With the right recipe, you get both. Banana peanut butter protein ice cream isn't just a dessert, it's a revolution in healthy snacking. Skip the freezer aisle and make your own game-changing treat at home. Next, high-protein chocolate oat brownies. Moist, chocolatey, and ready in 8 minutes. 22 grams of protein, a fraction of the sugar. Blend oats into flour for a fudgy texture. Add chocolate protein powder, cocoa, baking powder, salt, Greek yogurt, and egg whites. Bake or microwave. Done in minutes. Rich, dense, and perfectly underbaked. Oats add bite. Chocolate hits the spot. Protein keeps you full. Add walnuts, chocolate chips, or swirl in peanut butter. Double the batch and freeze for later. All the flavor, none of the sugar crash. Quick, easy, and guilt-free. 8 minutes to pure chocolate satisfaction. Finally, frozen berry protein yogurt bark. Light, crunchy, and refreshing. Perfect for summer cravings. 20 grams of protein, loaded with antioxidant-rich berries. Start with fat-free Greek yogurt and vanilla or berry protein powder. Spread on a tray lined with parchment. Top with your favorite berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Add nuts, seeds, or dark chocolate chips for crunch. Freeze for 10 minutes. Break into shards, creamy, crunchy, and bursting with flavor. Satisfy sweet and crunchy cravings without blowing your progress. Customize. Skip nuts. Add chia seeds. Make a big batch for the week. Great for hot days or post-workout. Protein keeps you full. Berries add antioxidants. Zero sugar crash. Clean, simple energy. Looks incredible, colorful, and fun. Impress friends or family. Guilt-free. Frozen berry protein. Yogurt bark. Crunchy, refreshing, ready in 10 minutes. High protein, low fuss, total satisfaction. Busy professionals, you don't have to give up dessert to lose weight. Subscribe and join the SlimSync movement. No more choosing between goals and cravings. I'm David, here to show you high-protein desserts are the key to lasting fat loss. Swap sugar for protein. Keep energy stable and progress on track. Next video, 7 office snacks that burn fat in under 5 minutes. Hit subscribe. Let's make healthy living delicious, one smart dessert at a time. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.